Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to open up the brand new Bose Smart Soundbar 900. This one is kind of getting them back in line with some of the other audio companies out there because it has Atmos built in. So we're going to open up the box, we're going to show you what comes with it, and we're going to just sort of give you a 360 tour of what it looks like, so stay tuned. So that's sort of a quick look around the Smart Soundbar 900. We are going to have an overview video on this one where we do a sound demo and we go over more of the details. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We just kind of wanted to give you a look at what we've got here. Thanks for watching as always. Stay tuned for that upcoming overview video and we'll see you in the next one.